Welcome to Quick Learning. Today we are going to learn a very important transaction that is normally used in plant maintenance or PM module. This transaction is used to change the maintenance plans or the task lists for any equipment. We will start right away by entering the transaction IA02 in our transaction tab. So as you can see from the main heading, this transaction is used to change any task list or the maintenance list. So as it is visible to you now, there are only few items that you have to enter. The first and the top most important one is the equipment number. You have to write the equipment number here, and the task list related to that equipment will be entered here. The other secondary details that can further limitize or refine your search is by entering the profile name or the change number, plant, group counter, etc. So basically the most important one is the equipment number that you have to enter here. So we can select any equipment number here, and we just have to press enter, and the particular maintenance task list will be displayed in front of us. So you can see I have entered a particular equipment number, this 15 tetra 4 3518, and the maintenance task list for that particular equipment has appeared in front of me. So you can see here that there are almost 15 operations written on it. The first is 3 monthly maintenance, the other is clean all the photo cells, check for operation of safety, change the vacuum pump air suction, check the grouping unit system, check the film feeding rollers, etc. So these 15 operations are written for this equipment. That means that these are the 15 types of checks that we have to do for this particular machine. So the next question is, what is the time interval for these checks? Like for how, after how much time we have to check these things, or we have to change or inspect these things. So for that we will press this maintenance package button, MENT pack, right on the left most bottom side. We will press this and you will see now the details for the time for each activity. So let me explain it to you. On the very left, this is the operation number, this is the operation description, and these are the times. 1A is 1 month, 2A is 2 months, 3A is 3 months, 6A is 6 months, 1Y is 1 year, 2Y is 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 7 year. So all of these activities are showing after how much time we have to perform these. So 3 monthly maintenance is showing us that this maintenance is to be performed, or this activity is to be performed after 3 months. Okay. Then the next one is the clean all the photocells, and this is showing us that this has to be done after 1 month. The other one is also for 1 month. The next is change the vacuum pump air suction, and this activity is showing us that has to be done after 1 year. Similarly, we can change any one of these based upon our requirement. We can change it from 1 month to 2 months or 3 months based upon the need of that equipment. Next one is like how and what are the components that we have to change in that operation. So this means that when we are performing some operation, this some of the components will need the replacement. And what are those? For that we have to press this select this line, and we have to click on this component overview button. So this component overview button will show us that when you will perform that particular operation, these components, these materials with this much quantity need to be changed. So you can enter the required components in each of the operations manually, and then SAP will itself automatically create the maintenance order for those particular components, and it will create the notification for that particular activity after that much time. So for the first one, after every 3 months, these components, the maintenance order for these components will be created, and you will be able to purchase them, and you will be able to change them. So this is a very useful command. Similarly, going back, it has given us the option to add any other operation as well. For example, if we want to add some another operation, like some replacement or inspection or the maintenance or the cleaning, we can enter it here. Like on the 160, I can enter inspection of the main unit. So I can just enter it. I will press enter, and then I will decide what is the timeline for that, after how much time we have to perform this activity. So I am hopeful that this session of IA02, that is used to change equipment task list, will be very much helpful for all of you. For any questions, you can just write in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.